Now it's time for GK. In GK, we had completed till chapter number 16. We had completed till chapter number 16, and I hope all of you had completed in your textbook also. The last period we had done chapter number 16, India's extremes. And now we are going to start the next chapter, that is capital cities. So this is a very short chapter and it is about the capital of different countries, capital cities of different countries. Now a map is given here. Name the capital cities of the countries, and it is marked in the map above. In the spaces given below, you may use the help box. Here we have to write the capital of the country. It is written here. And the help box is also there. So in this chapter, you have to remember the name of the city, which one is the capital of the particular country. For example, here are some questions and we have to write the answer for this. First one, USA. The capital city of USA, that is Washington DC. You have to remember the name, just like what is the capital of Gujarat. So Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Like this, what is the capital of India? So Delhi is the capital of India. So like all other countries name are given here, and we have to write the capital city of that particular countries. So first one, USA. The capital of USA is Washington DC. Second, UK. The capital of UK is London. Third one, the capital of New Zealand is Wellington. Fourth one, the capital of Australia, that is Canberra. Fifth one, capital of Pakistan, that is Islamabad. Then sixth, capital of Sri Lanka, that is Colombo. 7, capital of China, that is Beijing. Then 8, capital of Egypt, that is Cairo. Then 9, capital of France, that is Paris. And the last, the capital of Germany, that is Berlin. So this is the chapter about the name of the capital cities of the countries. So here to remember the name of the country and as well as the capital of that particular country. So you have to remember these, you read it again, and then afterwards we will go to the next chapter. But right now we will do till this chapter only. You have to remember the cities of this country, and now you will read the GK book daily one page, because this GK means what? GK means general knowledge. This book is not important for us for our exam only, but it is very useful for us to increase our जनरल नॉलेज ऑल्सो. हमें जनरल नॉलेज भी हमारा होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि एग्जाम आती है तो बस लर्न करो, रट्टा मार लो. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट, बट यू हैव टू रीड दिस बुक फॉर योर नॉलेज ऑल्सो. आपके ज्ञान के लिए, आपकी जानकारी के लिए भी ये बुक रीड करना जरूरी है. सो ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज रीड one page daily for your knowledge also. And yes, above all, whenever we have exams, At that time also you can write easily if you will read daily one page from this book. So I hope all of you understood this, and please read this book daily one page and keep practicing. And thank you and have a nice day.